Is one side of your Samsung Galaxy Buds core not working? Is it either completely silent or noticeably louder or quieter than the other? Before you assume they're broken, it's likely just a settings glitch. Here is how to fix it fast. Start with a simple fix. Put both earbuds back in the case. Close the lid and wait about 10 seconds to a couple of minutes if they are low in charge. This will reconnect them and quickly charge the buds as well. Then take them out and wear them again. In most cases, this quickly fixes the one side issue. If one side still isn't working, don't worry. There are a few quick things to check. Go to your Bluetooth settings, tap on your earbuds and open the additional settings. Head into accessibility and make sure the left-right balance is perfectly centered. Next, jump into your phone main settings, search for mono audio, and turn it off if it's enabled. Also, scroll down to connected devices and double check the balance slider there. It should be right in the middle. Still not fixed? Then it's time for a reset. Go back to your earbuds additional settings, scroll to manage connection, and tap reset. If you don't see that option on your Android phone, just unpair the earbuds completely from Bluetooth. Then reconnect them again like new. Unless there's a hardware problem, both earbuds should now sound perfectly balanced. Thanks for your time.